Hi there folks, be real quiet. Every once in a while you come across one of these in the wild. You can see the tires here sticking up. Be very still. Don't want it to get spooked and run away. That's a tractor truck trailer in Mill Creek. Very natural to the habitat around here. Looks like it's from the mid to late 2000s. That's an R&L Carriers brand tractor truck trailer. I'm gonna see how close I can get to it without spooking it. These things are very rare. You only see them every once in a while here on Mill Creek. Well, this one is letting me get really close. Let's see if I can touch it. We'll see if I can pet it right here on the tail. Oh, wow. Oh man, you can tell this one's very weathered. This one has seen its better days. But wow, it's letting me pet it. This is amazing, folks. You are really witnessing something that does not happen very often. R&L Carrier tractor truck trailer just being as still as if it were parked in a truck stop. Wow. This is amazing. Oh man, you guys are getting a real treat here. Well, I'm gonna let it go. Thank you, tractor truck trailer. Wow, that was amazing. Did not see that happening today. What a day. Oh, it's just beautiful. Those tires still have air in them. Decent tread. And look at the axles on those things. Man, that is just a sight to see. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.